What's good? I feel like something looks off. It's these hoops. I cannot. This is my second time trying to do these hoops. Hoops are just not it for me right now, sis. They're not. What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing and sharing with you guys an unboxing video, and I'm gonna be unboxing the infamous FabFitFun Fall 2019 box. If you guys are not familiar with FabFitFun, I did work with them in the past, so I am a FabFitFun partner, so thank you so much for sponsoring this video for me. It's amazing that I get to work with brands that I truly love. So yeah, this is their fall box. They are actually a seasonal subscription. Oh my god, why every time I film there's always a fly in here? Like, basically they give you a seasonal box. You're not gonna get one of those every month boxes. This is actually a seasonal box, which is super cute because every season they actually give you guys like your essentials. It's not just a box full of makeup, sis, okay? They actually have wellness, lifestyle, fashion, and of course beauty products. You get like a little bit of everything, so it's not just like a makeup box. So literally every season they'll be sending you all of your essentials that you'll be needing for that season. So of course we're gonna be talking about the fall box today. I am so ready for fall, like y'all don't even know. Like, I'm so done with this hot weather. I'm ready to put on a bold lip and a smoky eye. Like, I'm so here for that. But anyway, so the products in this box actually value for over $200, you guys. But guess what? Guess what? The box is only $49.99, okay? And I have a coupon code for you guys. So, you know, if y'all ready to get your fall on and poppin', then definitely click the link down below, because you guys definitely do not want to miss out on the FabFitFun box. And you know what's amazing too? That they actually let you customize your box. Like, that's so mind-blowing to me, because all of these other subscription services is like, they just send you whatever. It's like, you get what you get. Hello girl, surprise at your door. But this one, you actually get to like see a sneak peek of your box. If you want to customize it, if that month is just not cutting it for you, you get to like switch things out, which is mad cute. So this is the box that I curated for myself. I feel like it's Christmas time and I'm like opening a present and like I don't know what it is. This is another thing that I love about these boxes, because I'm always going shopping for like the makeup that I want, and I just find it bomb sometimes when like subscription services like put you on to beauty products that you wasn't even thinking about, you ain't even know about. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's amazing. I'm struggling because this box is huge. It's so cute. Oh my god. Like, the decor, the colors, like everything is like giving it to me right now. I love these like seasonal things because they always just come so cute and like so different each and every time. Like, all right. Oh, you guys, my nails, team natural for a day, because bitch, we gotta get them done tomorrow. I'm gagging right now. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, yes, I need this. Off rip, you guys get the little FabFitFun magazine, which is so amazing. If you guys don't know, FabFitFun was also founded by women. Yes, God, women be doing a damn thing. Magazines like this, when you have a mask on and you just want to get inspired. So the first thing that I took out of the box is actually this. This is from HelloFresh, and this is America's #1 meal kit, and they actually blessed us with, do you guys see that? A $80 gift card. Okay, you guys want like a meal literally sent to your home. It's like a whole kit that you guys have all the ingredients, and if you guys just want to cook something, you don't have time to go shopping, literally like it's 20-minute meals. So this is amazing, you guys. $80 though? Yes, sis. This, you guys, amazingness. So there's confetti in here. Like, this box is just so fun and like so like girly and just amazing. Okay, so the first product that I see in here is from Human and Kind. This is a skincare with a conscience body souffle. Ooh, so this is vegan and cruelty free, and this is all natural, you guys. I'm about to bust this open because, girl, I love, love, love body butters, and I need to know what this is smelling like. Ooh. Oh my god, it smells so like, ooh. So it definitely smells fruity, you guys, and it smells really, really fresh and just clean, but yet like one of those good girly scented lotions. So basically this is a rollerball roll-on. So this is actually a perfume. Ooh, okay, so 2 things for your bitch to smell good, okay? And this one is in the scent, I was gonna say shade, girl. This one is in the scent Deep Relax, okay? Ooh, and it's a rollerball, so this is gonna be perfect for throwing in my bag. Next product is this Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Girl, God only knows that they sent this to me because I really, really need this, okay? That's like hence why I dyed my damn hair black, because it was so damaged ever since I did like that balayage thing, and it was beautiful, but my hair is just so weak. So I thought by dyeing it back black, it was gonna fix the solution, and no, girl. So this is basically an Aveda hair repair remedy. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Okay, next thing I see is this Mini Eye Essentials by Trustique. It comes with a mini brow pencil, 2 mini shadow crayons, and also a mini eye pencil. So these are what the shades look like up top. And as you guys can see, it's like 4 little like crayons. It's literally like a mini brow pencil. I'm gonna swatch it so that way you guys can see. Wow, that's really cute. And then what are the eye crayons? What's that? Ooh, so the other one is like a shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this will be so pretty as like a cream shadow. Yes. And I think the other one is like a cream shadow, but more like a bronzy shade. Oh no, girl. This one is like a creamy matte brown. Ooh. All right. So this one will be perfect for like an eyeliner if you're trying to do like a brown smoky eye and you need like a cream base. It also comes with an eyeliner, which is so cute, you guys. And it is like a little skinny liner. Ooh. And this is so creamy and so black. Look at that. Look at that. So this is what the little mini eye kit looks like. Wow, this is like so cute. The next item is actually a pair of earrings from Bubble Bar, which is so lit. So these are the Farrah ear crawler earrings. And can we just talk about these? Hoops are not my thing. I literally just said that. So how poppin' is like these ear crawler earrings? Like, girl, my hair in a bun with those earrings is about to serve, okay? Ooh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so these are the Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes. Look at this. Tell me this does not look amazing. Like, I don't know if I want to eat them. I want to put them on my skin immediately. So if you guys are not familiar with what this product is, it's basically like exfoliator cubes for you to exfoliate your skin. You just like massage it on wet skin and it takes off all the dead skin. It cleans out your pores and it just makes it nice and smooth and just popping. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, and they smell like green apple. Oh my God, this smells lit. Wow. Girl, they sent me a damn flat. Like, oh my God, yes. Girl, I've been needing a new flat iron. And this is one of the ceramic plate flat irons that has like the plates that like move, you guys. And this is the perfect type of flat iron to make the drop curls that I be doing. And it's in this beautiful neon coral color. Like, oh my God, I'm so excited about this. And it has a cute little bag. Wow, this is... So this is the last product that was in the box, and it's actually a lifestyle product. And this is actually a gourmet wood and ceramic cutting board. Like, how cute is this, you guys? Going camping in 2 weeks, which is crazy because this is gonna come so freaking clutch because you don't want to bring a big ass like cutting board. So this is lit for when I go camping in 2 weeks. I'm definitely gonna be bringing this. Like, this is lit, especially about to celebrate something, about to film me, about to cut these holes. All right beauties. So that was pretty much everything that was in this box. I hope you guys did enjoy like unboxing videos. Comment down below what was your favorite item in this box. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box as well if you guys want to save some coins. Definitely use my coupon code. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.